the lemon will sink and float. So, for the ingredients are 2 glasses filled with water, salt, 2 lemons. So let us start. The first thing is you need to fill water in the glass fully. As you can see, I have done it. First we will put a lemon in the glass. What will you think? It will sink or float? I think it will sink. Let's just see. As you can see, it sinks. That's because the lemon is heavier than water. So that's why it sinks. Now add 2 spoons of salt into the second cup. Dissolve. So we will continue after we mix it. Okay, so we have put the salt in the water and stir it when it's completely dissolved. So let's see what will happen. What will you think? It will sink or float? I think it will float. It floats. That's why it is called density. As in the first glass, the lemon was heavier than water, so that's why it sank. And when I added salt in the second glass, the density of water became higher, so that's why the lemon became